Solve your question on the discussion board. You want to solve this quadratic equation, say by completing the square. I don't know if you had one quite this messy in the homework, but I went ahead and worked through it. You need the coefficient of the squared term to be 1 here, so you divide everything by 5, giving you x squared plus 5x plus a fifth equals 0. Then you need your two variables on one side, constant on the other, so I subtract a fifth from each side. Now you need to complete the square, so you look at coefficient of x, you want to take half of that and square it. So half of 5 is 5 halves, you square that, that's 25 fourths. You want to add that to each side. Now this side ought to factor nicely to x plus 5 halves and x plus 5 halves. Whatever it was before you squared it always goes here. So that gives you the quantity x plus 5 halves squared. Now you need to combine these. You could just put it in your calculator, just the old-fashioned way. You got a common denominator, and I come up with 121 over 20. Now you apply the square root property, and you need to subtract 5 halves from each side. I change this to a decimal. Negative 5 halves is negative 2.5. I put that in the calculator. I got 2.46. I wasn't sure. Directions didn't say where you want an exact answer or decimal. I went ahead and went with the decimal. And so you got x equal negative 2.5 plus 2.46, which gives you minus 0.04, and negative 2.5 minus 2.46, which would give you negative 4.96. Hope this helps.